Hello friend, look at the scenario. It's so beautiful, right? Don't you think that something is missing? I think, in my opinion, something is missing. It's not green, right? So in my area, people they have started sowing the seed. Some of them they have already sowed the seed. As you can see, green, right? Over there, the field is green because they have already sowed the seed and the seed has started growing, right? And that's why it's little bit green. But majority of people they have just sowed the seed, and that is why it will take time to grow. And once it grow, it will be green, and then this area will look beautiful, right? Why I'm saying with you this thing, because there is one motto behind it. See, you know what, in our case we sow the seed different and we expect the result different. How can it be possible? My friend, if you are sowing the seed of mango, mango will grow, right? So if you are sowing the seed of negativity and doubt in your mind, that I can never ever become successful, I can never ever become this one, that one. How can you become? Because you are always sowing the seed of negativity. Okay, so whatever you want to see as a result, you should start sowing the seed, and then you will see the result. The result will be the thing which you sowed. Okay, make sure you are sowing the positive seeds in your mind, then the result will be always positive. My friend, it's okay to have doubt sometime, it's okay to feel negativity, but if you are always thinking and feeling, that's not okay, you know. We cannot stop thinking negative, but uh, we can surpass it. How? By thinking positive. What happened, why I'm sharing with you this thing, many people they say that I can never ever become fluent English speaker, or this thing will never happen in my life. So according to their thought, same thing happened. They feel that I am not good enough for this thing and I don't deserve that thing, and that's why they don't deserve. Okay, so it's their result of thinking, it's their result of thinking negative, especially. So in your case, if you want to become a fluent English speaker, what are you going to do from today onwards? You should start thinking positive. What you are going to think, let me tell you. As a beginner, I used to think English is very hard for me. I was also like you. Okay, so I watched many video and then I started shifting my thought. I started watching positive video and I started giving the positive affirmation to my mind. Okay, I used to say that I'm a fluent English speaker, and you know, when I was saying, when I wasn't able to speak properly. Okay, so in your case also, now you might be not able to speak this language fluently, you might be fumbling, you might be hesitating while speaking this language. But my friend, if you start thinking positive, one day it will give you positive result, you will start speaking this language. But one more thing also, thinking is not everything, it's a seed, right? See, in my area, people they have sowed the seed. If they don't look after it, it will not grow healthy, right? So if they want to see good result, if they want to harvest it and get the good result, they need to look after it, right? Once it start growing up, they will water it, they will put a lot of things, they will take care of it, right? And then their result will be good. In your case also, after sowing the seed of learning this language, you have to look after it. I mean, practice, see where you are making mistakes, work on that. Many a thing you need to do, right? Once you plant the plant, you need to water every single day, then it will grow, otherwise it will dry. Same way, our thoughts are like seed. Okay, once you plant in your mind, or once you sow that seed of your thought in your mind, try to look after it. And I'm just saying, you know, I'm just giving the example, just look after it. Give always positive vibration to your thoughts, to your mind, that okay, I can do it. It's okay to feel negative sometime, but if you are feeling always, then feeling always negative will give you always negative result. Okay, I have experienced it, and that's why I'm sharing with you. Okay, and I got a question from people. They were asking to me, do you write the script and then you speak? No. Do you feel like that? No, my friends, genuinely speaking, I never ever write any script. As I'm giving you current example, right? I'm standing in my field. So how can I write a script about my field? I was even unaware that what I'm going to share with you people when I came in my field. Once I came here, I just sat here for a few minutes, for more than 3, 4, 5 minutes, and I was just thinking what to share. So once I opened my mobile camera and I started recording, so idea started coming and my thoughts started connecting. That what I'm going to share with you people. That's what always happened with me, and I don't know whether it's negative or positive, but I always speak without writing any script. I haven't written any script at all in my entire journey. Yeah, I watch video, I do shadowing practice, I read. So I think I get information from reading, from watching video, but I don't watch any video intentionally that this is what I'm going to speak. No, I think I don't do this. Okay, so it's not my positive side, because writing a script also is a good habit, I think, because if you write, you are going to, you know, get good skill in writing. I mean, you will become good writer and so many things, right? But I think I will have to build this habit in me. I will start writing, but I will not start writing script, because I feel authentic when I share on the spot. I feel free when I share whatever comes in my mind, because when I write it, what if I forget? Okay, so I will have always doubt in my mind whether I'm speaking right, wrong, or did I use that word or not. No, I don't have any fear when I'm speaking in front of my camera, because I haven't written anywhere or I don't write anywhere, and that's why I speak freely. So if you can do it, and it's all about practice. Everything seems difficult initially. Was it easy for me to record my video? Was it easy for me to speak this language? No, my friend. Nothing was easy. But I started from the hard, and that's why it's becoming little easy. You know, the thing is that earlier I wasn't able to record my video like this kind of places. Okay, so I used to record hidely in my room, because I had fear of being seen. I didn't want people see me. Okay, so actually I started coming here and I started recording video. Now I don't hesitate to record my video. Even people, they keep working. As you can see behind me, one boy, he's working, right? So earlier I used to hide my camera when I used to see this kind of people working in their field, but now I don't think a lot. I don't hesitate. I record, because I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm helping people, I'm learning, I'm sharing my thought. So this is what, my friend, if you want to achieve something, I would say sow the seed, whatever you want to see. Otherwise, if you are sowing the seed of mango and you are expecting that an apple tree will grow, so it will never ever be possible, because it doesn't happen. Okay, that is why sow the seed of positivity, sow the seed whatever you want to see as a result. Okay, so this is what, as you can see, the scenario is amazing. My friend, whenever I come in my field, I get positive vibes. I feel free. I share the things which I want to share with you people, and I feel that I'm strong. I can do anything. So many good vibes I get when I be in my field, and that is why most of the time I try to record my video from my field. So this is what, my friend, if you feel hesitant, if you feel fumble, or if you have doubt, don't worry. Everything will be gone once you work on them. Okay, nothing is permanent here. So if you work on them, it will be gone very early, but if you don't focus on them, so the chances are they may remain in your life for a little longer. That is why, for a little longer. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.